The Stitch 500 is capable of holding rolls up to 121 pounds. That's important because it allows you to put a bigger roll of paper onto the printer confidently and know that you can print it. But probably more important than the weight of the roll that you're putting into the printer is the weight of the accuracy of the take-up to be able to take that roll and print on it effectively and then take it up evenly. If you have a large roll and you're printing a long run and the take-up system is telescoping or is skewed, then when you go to your calendared press, things aren't going to line up right. You'll end up with ghosting because the roll that you're feeding from the paper and the material you're trying to apply to are not laying on each other exactly perfect, and you get an irregularity, and it causes major image quality defects in the calendaring process. With our new tension system, the winder tension system that we have on the Stitch 500, those issues are solved. We invested a lot of time and a lot of research and a lot of engineering talent to build a system that allows us to take up long runs accurately and have the take-up roll look exactly like the feed roll when it's done. And that's something unique to the Stitch 500. And for long runs, productive, efficient, this is the printer to choose.